Welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss about the FASTag. So these are the FASTags which are associated with the cars. Like you can paste them on the windscreen of your car and they will be scanned when you are passing through the toll plaza. So they have been a kind of a very good advancement in the case that there used to be a lot of traffic jam when you are passing through the toll plaza. Because think about it, when earlier there was no FASTag, you have to give them cash, then there is like change issue and other things involved. So in order to overcome all of this, FASTags has been introduced. There are other benefits also. We will discuss about that in this video only. So what is the latest context why we are discussing FASTag? So recently the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway have actually went ahead and say that there has to be FASTags for the free lanes also, and if they are not having any FASTags in the free lane, they will be charged twice. So that is the latest news, and that is why we are discussing about the FASTag. So what we discuss in this particular video is what exactly are FASTags, so what is that and how they have been used. Apart from that, we will discuss about the technology of RFID. So this is the technology through which the FASTags are working. So we will see what exactly is RFID, and apart from that we will look into the benefits, why the FASTags are important, why they have been made mandatory. So we will discuss about these particular topic in this video. So without further delay, let's start. So the device employs radio frequency identification. So this is the full form, radio frequency. From the name itself, you can understand that this is a technology which is going to work on the radio frequencies. So this is the radio frequency identification technology which is being leveraged in the use of FASTag, which will help in payments directly from the prepaid or the saving account linked to it. So you can link the saving account or any other sort of payment. For an example, Paytm wallet. So if you have a car, or if you have been in a cab, you will see that there is a FASTag pasted on the windscreen. So FASTag is pasted on the windscreen. When you are going through the toll plaza, the RFID technology will scan it, and accordingly whatever money you have associated with that FASTag, that will get deducted and it will directly get into the National Electronic Toll Collection Program. So this is the whole system. So this is something like I really say that if you are going in a cab or if you drive a car, be observant around how it is working. So this is a part of National Electronic Toll Collection Program, and the National Payment Corporation of India collects the payment. So where exactly it is finally going? It is going to National Payment Corporation of India. Now I have made a YouTube video explaining the various functionalities of National Payment Corporation of India. For an example, this is the one which also you take care of the UPI, Unified Payment Interface. So just try to interlink whatever we have discussed, and just remember that the FASTag, the money collected, is also part of the National Payments Corporation of India. So this is something you should know. Now let's move forward and look into the details of RFID. So it is the use of radio waves to read and capture information stored on a tag attached to an object. So what is exactly happening? If you have seen the FASTag, it have a QR code over here. So this RFID technology will use the radio waves to read whatever information is stored in that tag. A tag can be read from up to several feet away and does not need to be within direct line of sight of the reader to be tracked. So now this is again something very important information you should remember, that the direct line of sight is not necessary. Like for an example, you must have seen the barcode reader, right? Over there it has to be in the direct line of sight only. Like in the shopping mall, if you have gone, the counter over there, they read the barcode. So that is the direct line of sight. You require the direct connection, but for the RFID, that is not the requirement. So just remember that part. The tag is valid for 5 years and come in 7 different colors: violet, orange, yellow, green, pink, blue, black. Each color is assigned to a particular category of vehicles. So for an example, for personal cars, it is violet. So this is how the color combination is used for defining the various tag. And apart from that, what is the validity? The validity is 5 years. FASTag is presently operating at both national and state highways. So it's not only the national highway but at the state highways also. You will find that the FASTag, the toll plaza, has now become accustomed or has now become upgraded to be using the technology of RFID. So this is something you should remember about how the RFID works. It uses radio waves, name itself suggests radio frequency, which means it is using radio waves. Then important information is that it can be used from for some feet away, and also it need not to be in the direct line of sight. So these are the some advantage of using the RFID. Now let's go ahead and quickly see what are the benefits of using the FASTag. So earlier it used to be like toll plaza have been there, and people used to collect in cash or through debit credit card. How the FASTag is going to help? What are the various means through which it will help? So the first is ease of payment itself. No need to carry cash for the toll transaction, save time. So basically, again, as I was telling you in the beginning of this particular video, that getting change is one of the hassle. Like at the toll plaza, when the cars behind you are honking and you are looking out for change, it's not very easy and smooth experience, and at the same time it is a very time consuming process too. So in that regard, this will like make it whole seamless, no contact, you can directly just move across the toll plaza. Near non-stop movement of vehicles leading to lower fuel costs. So again, earlier the toll plaza used to be the places of traffic. Like if you really look into the Google map, you could see that the red used to mark those the places near the toll plaza. But these things like the FASTag will change this, because now the car do not have to stop, and because they do not have to stop, the other cars which are like in queue do not have to turn off their engine. And we know that this is how the automobile engineering works, that if you turn off the vehicle, it's again you have to again on it. It takes a lot of more fuel to do that. So in that regard, it is again going to save the fuel too. It will have environmental benefit, like it will reduce air pollution, reduce use of paper. So because the fuel utilization would be less, you are not starting and stopping your engine, so air pollution would be reduced. Paper, like you have to get the receipt every time you are paying at the toll plaza without FASTag, so the paper use also would be reduced. So these are the environmental benefit. There will be social benefits too. For an example, reduced toll payment hassles, analytics for better highway management. Again, you can go ahead and go for the better highway management, because now there is less hassle. There is a smooth transition whenever you are at the toll plaza. Seamlessly, you can move through it. There are definitely economic benefits too. For an example, reduce effort in management at toll plaza. So the people who are over there, who are working over there, they have to, again, the person who is operating the toll plaza also has to go through a lot of hassle to, in the case of the normal cash or debit card kind of a transaction. So in that regard, the management becomes better. Reduced effort in monitoring centrally. So basically, again, there could be time when the car just zooms through it without paying. So all these things become easier now. The monitoring has become easier. Apart from that, cameras at toll booths will take photos of passengers in the vehicle, which will be useful for the Ministry of Home Affairs, as there will be a record of vehicles movement. So you can understand if there is some kind of illegal movement of people. We know that we have a problem of human trafficking also, for an example. So illegal movement could be easily tracked, like if any vehicle number is flagged, and you can like really go to the CCTV footage of toll booths and look into who the people were who were sitting in the car and such kind of thing. So this will also create a kind of a database for the Ministry of Home Affairs, which they can refer to for looking into the vehicle movement or for any suspicious vehicle. So these are the major benefits which the FASTag introduction has introduced. Now let's just quickly also look into the how the FASTag look like. So this is how the FASTag look like. This is its trademark. So this is how the FASTag trademarks look like. This is the antenna, because we know that RFID is used, radio waves are used, so you need an antenna to connection. The TID is the one, is the unique code which is associated with it. This is the QR code. This is the one which the RFID will read. Then the color code purple, I told you that purple denotes the private car, and then there is also a tag class, like for an example 41234, all these kind of text classes are also there. So this is your the front adhesive side of IHMCL FASTag. So this is like on your windscreen, what you will see is this one only. So I hope you have understood this video, whatever we have discussed so far. What are the FASTag, what are the advantages, what is the RFID. So if you have any doubt, feel free to drop a comment. Thank you.